Hi everyone, welcome to AM Counseling Services. So, via this video, we have an important updates for all of you. So, this is basically regarding court case on NRI Quota in Punjab. As you can see on the screen itself, says the Supreme Court dismisses the NRI Quota. So there was a legal dispute in Punjab regarding how seats under the NRI quota, that means non-resident Indian quota, were being allocated in medical colleges. So the case reached the Supreme Court of India, where concerns about the misuse of NRI quota seats were raised. So Supreme Court has a strict order in it, where it says the notice or order of condemning the practices involved in NRI quota seat allocation. So the court pointed out that the eligibility documents are required for claiming NRI seats were being misused. So the court described the process as a fraudulent step, indicating that it was mainly a way for institutions to make money rather than follow merit based or genuine NRI eligibility criteria. So this is an exploitation of NRI quota for financial gain only. So that is correct. If we take anything from this news, so the notice from the Supreme Court highlighted that this practice of granting NRI quota seats had become a way for the colleges to generate revenue. So the institution involved in this malpractice were not just a smaller or lesser known colleges, even top deemed medical colleges like DY Patil Medical College, Ramchandra Medical College, and there is one more, Amrita Medical College, were seen allocating NRI seats to students who did not meet merit requirements. So students with lower ranks were getting admissions under the NRI quota based on financial capabilities rather than merit. So there is an impact of meritorious students. So this misuse of NRI quota resulted in meritorious students, those who had high ranks and genuinely deserved the seats, being deprived of opportunities. So basically, the Supreme Court emphasized that the process allowed just qualified students with lower ranks, we can say, yeah. So while meritorious students were overlooked. So this unfair allocation based on financial strength rather than merit led to the Supreme Court to intervene. So the court used this very example to criticize the existing system, questioning how meritorious students were being denied seats in favor of lower ranked candidates who could afford NRI quota seats. So, as a result, the Supreme Court issued a strict notice to the government and the medical institutions, instructing them to pay attention to the malpractice. The notice also called for an end to the fraudulent practice of claiming NRI seats through a sponsored NRI names, where non-NRI students were being falsely sponsored, we can say, to the claim NRI seats. I mean, claiming the NRI seats. Potential government action can be like with the Supreme Court's strict notice. The government is now expected to take action and prevent this misuse. So that is the best thing which we can see using this video. So the government will likely introduce measures to stop fraud related to NRI quota seats and ensure that seats are allocated fairly based on the merit rather than the rather than the financial ability, we can say. So there should be one case that upcoming hearing on NEET PG 2024 can take place, where on the 27th September, presumably, we can say there is another important hearing scheduled related to petitions filed regarding the NEET PG. So on the answer key, it is possible that following the hearing, the MCC may publish the counseling schedule for NEET PG, which would outline the upcoming steps for the admissions process. So basically, the key takeaways from this is that NRI quota seats have been misused, allowing less qualified candidates to secure seats over more deserving candidates, purely due to financial strength. So the Supreme Court has strongly criticized this practice and issued order to correct the system. So the notice is expected to lead to the stricter regulation and oversight of the NRI sponsorship process as well, ensuring that only genuine candidates qualify. Further, the outcome of the NEET PG answer key hearing may lead to the MCC counseling schedule being released soon, which will determine the timelines for medical admissions. So I think that was the overview and detailed explanation on the news using this video. So that's much from our side. If you have any queries related to counseling or any other blockers, please feel free to reach out to us. Details for the same has been attached in the description. Thanks a lot for watching this out. Thank you.